um, sa Pangasinan ngayon, sa Villasis, Pangasinan. So, andito ako sa provincial house namin. So, mag-observe ako ng sky. So, ano nangyari ngayon? So, yung moon, nasa third phase. Magpo-full moon na siya. And yung moon is above my zenith. So from the north, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So, mga 90 degrees na siya above. Tama. According to my calculation. So, mga 100 degrees above na siya. So, ngayon dapat ay Aries tayo, ang constellation natin. So, ilan ng stars na observe ko. Hindi siya masyadong kita sa camera kasi medyo malabo. Dark night sky siya. So, I have probably around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So, konti lang ang stars natin ngayon kasi medyo cloudy siya. So, again, to recap, ngayon ay April 17. And, wala pa, ito yung first observation natin of the sky. So, yun yung moon. As you can see, hindi pa siya full moon. Hindi siya masyadong clear, pero hindi pa siya full moon. Tapos, meron tayong stars, pero konti lang. According sa research ko, ngayon ay dapat Aries, pero wala pa. Hindi ko siya nakikita eh. Hindi ko ma-point out yung stars. So, ayun may stars. Hindi ko nakikita yung stars.
Hello, so today is April 19, 2019. It is around 11 p.m. and I will be observing the lunar phenomenon, the pink moon. Our location is at the city of Balaan City, Bataan. A little insight on the pink moon is that according to time and date, the April's pink moon will be visible in the Philippines at 7:12 p.m. of April 19. According to the Old Farmer's Almanac, the full moon of April was called pink moon because of an early spring flower. The pink moon is also called the sprouting grass moon, the egg moon, and the fish moon. It is also said in an article that when observed close to the horizon, not only is the full moon considerably less bright, but it also looks like a beautiful muted orange, which gradually turns to a lighter, slightly brighter yellow as the moon rises higher into the sky. Although I did not get to film the latter, we can still appreciate the beauty of the full moon at its peak. So, according to the information I got from the planetarium app, the moon rose a while ago at 6:09 p.m. and it will set tomorrow at 5:31 p.m. Its azimuth is located at 317.5 degrees southeast. Its distance is 369,123 kilometers from the Earth. Its altitude is 60.3 degrees high, and it can be found in the constellation of Virgo. Hello, it is 5:40 in the morning, and the sun has officially risen up. We are at Balaan City, Bataan, and today is 26th of April 2019. The sun, according to the planetarium app, is at the constellation Sagittarius. Latitude is barely above 0 degrees as it is rising up, obviously. And it can be found 256 degrees east, also according to the planetarium app. We cannot see the sun rising due to construction and lots of trees and plants in our area. So now we're just gonna stare at the waning gibbous moon as I tell you facts about the sunrise. The sunrise or sun up is the moment when the upper limb of the sun appears on the horizon in the morning. It is the entire process of the solar disk crossing the horizon and accompanying the atmospheric effects. Astronomically, sunrises occur for only an instant, which is the moment at which the upper limb of the sun appears tangent to the horizon. However, it commonly refers to the periods of time both before and after this point. The twilight, the period in the morning during which the sky is brightening, but the sun is not yet visible. The beginning of the morning twilight is called the astronomical dawn, for which happened a while ago pa, 5:16 p.m. Here is where I end this part of the video. See you later when the moon is setting. It is 6:33 in the afternoon and we are about to witness the twilight on the 26th of April 2019, still at Balanga City, Bataan. Please keep in mind that the sunset and twilight are different from each other. The sunset or sundown is the daily disappearance of the sun below the horizon due to the Earth's rotation, as viewed from the equator. The equinox sun sets exactly due west. The twilight is the illumination of the lower atmosphere when the sun itself is not directly visible because it is below the horizon. It is divided into 3 stages. The first being the civil twilight, which begins once the sun had disappeared below the horizon and continues until it descends to 6 degrees below the horizon. The second phase, or the nautical twilight, is between 6 to 12 degrees below the horizon. And finally, we are now witnessing the astronomical twilight, or the period when the sun is between 12 degrees to 80 degrees below the horizon. Dusk is at the very end of the astronomical twilight and is the darkest moment of twilight just before nighttime. Oh, it is now officially nighttime and the sun is now 18 degrees below the horizon and it no longer illuminates the sky.
Fourth entry ng ES vlog namin. So, it is now May 14. May 13. Almost 1 month after this vlog started. So, we have here our moon. This is our moon. It is near the star. It is near the constellation of Leo. So, almost there. It's half moon. And I can observe the stars here. It's near the constellation of Leo. See the stars Regulus, Algebra, and Zosma that make up the constellation of Leo. So this is the last, and this is to conclude our ES vlog for the 4th quarter. Thank you for watching and goodbye.